Do you want to learn how to eat plant-based and still lose weight? In this video, I'm going to go over all the foods that I eat in a day. I'm going to show you how easy it is to eat this way all day long and still lose weight. And even if you're not a vegetarian, I'm hoping that I'll be able to give you some tips and tricks that you can use so that way you can incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your daily plan. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe and we'll alert you each time there's a new video. And if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. For me, eating well was critical to my health. You see, I didn't always feel so great. I was also heavy. I had low energy. I had certain immune system issues, and I also had acne. I noticed that certain foods triggered those things more than others. Hi, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to go over what I eat in a day. I start every morning with two critical things: my yerba mate and my warm lemon water. Below, I'm going to put a link to another video in the comment section, and it'll help you see how to make warm lemon water really quick and easy, so you get that done every morning. And my yerba mate, I'm also going to put a link below how to make that the authentic way. But if you don't want to do that, you can also use tea bags. And if you didn't know this, we do have a line of functional healing organic yerba blends, and I'll put a link to that below also. I love my yerba. It not only makes me feel amazing, but it gives me this great energy that doesn't give me the jitters like coffee does. It also doesn't slam me down and make me hungry half hour after I drink it. The best part of yerba for me in the morning, though, is the brain focus that it gives me. So I'm really able to focus and concentrate with my yerba. I gave up coffee years ago. Yerba gives me natural energy without the jitters, and I don't get hungry half an hour later. The lemon water and yerba combination help me with detox. For breakfast, I'll have a smoothie. Notice how half of the carafe is with greens. I make twice as much so I can save half for my afternoon snack. I use protein powder if I need some extra protein that day. These are the two containers I use. I blend this up really nice in a vitamix. For lunch, I'll usually have roasted potatoes with salad. In the afternoon, I'll have my second smoothie. And then for dinner, I always have vegetables and starch. So here I am cutting an onion for the base of my meal. What I usually use is a wok to cook up the vegetables. This cast iron wok is just magic. Anything you put in it will taste amazing. So I'll have either sauteed vegetables in the wok over rice or potatoes, or I also make a stew with vegetables and or beans. So that's pretty much what I do each day. Of course, there are variances, but that's the basic framework. Please put your comments in the section below if you have any questions or any topics that you want me to explore. We're hoping this video was helpful for you. Hopefully you got some tips and tricks that you can use in your own life. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up and also hit subscribe. You'll be made aware of the next time a new video goes up. We really appreciate you watching. Thanks for being with us. Mwah! Ciao.